Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So we'll continue the second part of ITIL Lifecycle stages. So I will give you an example basically of core principles which I have explained in my earlier video. So by delivering value to customers means IT services must provide measurable business value, not just technology. Value is equal to utility, what the service does plus warranty, how well it performs. So for an example, it is fast network plus high uptime is equal to better user productivity. And second point is of process based approach. So it consists of ITL emphasizes structured processes instead of ad hoc activities. Each process has inputs and outputs, defined workflows, measurable outcomes. So it will be benefiting consistency, efficiency, and better control. So moving on to roles, functions, and responsibilities. So it is clear definition of what does what. Roles basically responsibilities assigned to individuals, example incident manager, and functions, teams or department. Example, we have service desk, technical management, and we have responsibility models, which consist of using RACI matrix, which we called as responsible, accountable, consulted, and informed. So, what are the benefits of this? It will be avoiding confusion and improves accountability. Third is key ITSM processes, which consist of incident management, first, which allow us to achieve the goal, restore normal service as quick as possible. Focus on quick resolution, not root cause. Example, fixing a server outage immediately. So moving on to problem management. So problem management will help us to identify and eliminate root causes of incidents, which includes root cause analysis and updating that root cause analysis or the repeated incident into known error database. Example, finding a server crashes repeatedly. And now moving on to change management. So the role of change management is to control and manage changes with minimal risk. Example, standard or pre-approved change, normal change which requires approval, and there are emergency change. For example, applying a patch without affecting users. And now, lastly, we'll go to service request management, which we call as request fulfillment. It handles routine user requests, predefined and low risk, example, password reset, software installation, access request. So to summarize you, basically, ITIL lifecycle ensures end-to-end service management, and its core principle is to ensure value, structure, and accountability. And third is key processes ensure efficient operations and continuous improvement. Thank you guys. Please subscribe my channel.